If you're someone who doesn't just listen to music but wants to feel every beat, every thump, and every bass drop as if you're front row at a live concert, then the Diamond Audio DASTX12 is a subwoofer that deserves your full attention. Right out of the box, it demands respect with its premium, solid build, and rugged design, featuring a reinforced cast aluminum basket. The 12-inch dual voice coil subwoofer that can handle a massive 2,000 watts peak and 1,000 watts RMS means it's built not just for loudness, but clean, high-impact sound performance. Belonging to Diamond Audio's renowned STX series, the DASTX12 offers a high excursion design, letting the cone travel further to produce deeper bass without losing clarity. Its 3-inch high-temp voice coil ensures durability under high stress and long play sessions, making it a reliable choice for daily drivers and bass junkies alike. The cone is crafted from a non-pressed paper blended with Kevlar fiber, combining lightweight responsiveness with serious strength to handle aggressive play without distortion. This is paired with a double-stitched rubber surround for added durability and smooth cone movement. What truly sets the DASTX12 apart, though, is how it sounds, delivering bass that is not only loud, but accurate and musical. Whether you're bumping hip-hop, blasting metal, vibing to EDM, or even cruising to R&B or jazz, this subwoofer brings out the richness and depth in every track. It's not just about rattling your trunk, it's about elevating your entire listening experience. And if you're someone who's always tweaking your setup, you'll appreciate how responsive and tunable this sub is. Installation is fairly straightforward, especially if you're experienced, and it pairs best with a quality monoblock amp delivering around 1,000 watts RMS. For optimal performance, a ported enclosure is recommended to bring out its low-end thunder, but a sealed box will still give you tight, punchy bass if you prefer that style. Either way, this sub is versatile enough to work for audiophiles and bass heads alike. And here's the relatable truth. Whether you want your ride to turn heads at a car meet, or you just want to make your morning drive feel like a live show, the DASTX12 delivers on all fronts. It's not just loud, it's smart, musical, and engineered for the long haul. In short, the Diamond Audio DASTX12 is built for those who crave performance without compromise. It's bold, it's clean, it's powerful, and it's ready to transform your sound system into something unforgettable. So if you're looking to upgrade your bass game with something that hits as hard as it looks, the DASTX12 might just be your perfect match. Keep your system clean, your music loud, and let the bass do the talking.